clearly there is a big debate right now in the country whether this is justice enough.
10 লাখ থেকে 4 কোটি 10 লাখ থেকে 4 কোটি
A life taken, a pen nib left unbroken, a missing black warrant.
हम लोग कंपेंसेशन और रुपया के लिए कोर्ट में नहीं आया। मेरा लड़की का जस्टिस के लिए कोर्ट में आया है।
একটা জাজমেন্ট আমার পছন্দ হয়নি। It is not a rare of the rarest case. আমি মনে করি yes, it is a rare, sensitive and very very heinous crime.
The court's verdict is now loud and clear. That has to be respected in letter and spirit.
जो आर्ग्यूमेंट करी गई थी कि रेयरेस्ट ऑफ रेयर केस नहीं है, इस पे मैं यकीन नहीं करती हूँ, क्योंकि जिस तरीके से ये बलात्कार हुआ, हत्या हुई, आप कैसे डिफाइन करेंगे कि रेयरेस्ट ऑफ रेयर केस क्या होता है?
Death sentence for Sanjay Roy. That is what many have been demanding after a Shialdah court pronounced its verdict in the horrific RG Kar rape and murder case. The court said that the crime was not the rarest of rare. Now, before we go into why the court decided whatever it did, let's first look at some numbers here. Till 2023, 561 inmates were on death row in India, the highest in 2 decades. In that year, Indian trial courts imposed 120 death sentences. However, the confirmation for these sentences by lower courts was at its lowest since 2000. This means the trial courts pronounce death sentence verdicts, but they are challenged and the cases often fall apart in the higher courts. Also, the Supreme Court of India did not confirm any death sentence in 2022 and 2023. What is also to be noted here is that the Indian judicial system does not work according to the public sentiment.
नॉर्मली हमारी अदालतों ने, हमारे न्यायालयों ने एक नॉर्म सा बनाया हुआ, एक प्रिंसिपल सा बनाया हुआ कि पहले वो लाइफ सेंटेंस देते हैं और कम से कम, जिसे कहते हैं हम अंग्रेजी में रेयरेस्ट ऑफ रेयर केसेस में ही डेथ सेंटेंस दी जाती है, जो बहुत कम दी जाती है। इस केस में जज साहब ने ये भी देखा होगा कि ऑफेंस के क्या इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं, क्या हुआ, क्या एविडेंस है, कैसा ऑफेंस हुआ, किस तरीके से हुआ, किस बेदर्दी से हुआ।
India's apex court had considered possible aggravating and mitigating circumstances for death penalty after the 1980 Bachan Singh versus State of Punjab case. While other factors are taken into account, we are looking at what the Shialdah court might have considered. The Supreme Court had earlier noted that sentencing in death penalty had also been very judge-centric. In the RG Kar case, additional Sessions Judge Anirban Das pronounced the verdict.
There has been some latches in the part of the investigation which we pointed out in our argument, and that is the actually reflection of that argument in the judgment. There has been severe latches in the part of the investigation. Yes, Jaja mentioned that there has been some confusion regarding the investigation.
Now, for a verdict like death sentence, there needs to be an absolute surety of facts. However, in the RG Kar case, the court itself flagged lapses in investigation. Since day one, there have been speculations of involvement of multiple people in the planning of the crime. The big question, remained. Was Sanjay Roy the sole culprit? The role of the former principal of the medical college, Sandeep Ghosh, and the hospital's suicide theory were also raised by the Shialda court.
তারে অন্যায় করেও তাকে ক্ষমা করে দেব কেন বলবে এই কেসটা আমি সত্যি শক বলতে পারেন আমি নিজেও একজন লয়ার ছিলাম আইনটা আমি একটু একটু হলেও বুঝি আমি অনেকগুলো কোর্টে কেস করেছি
CBI, which demanded stricter punishment for Roy, has also moved High Court. Central agency's decision to challenge the trial court's sentencing came hours after it objected to the West Bengal government's plea in the High Court seeking death penalty for Sanjay Roy. But who can actually challenge Shialda Court's life imprisonment verdict for Sanjay Roy?
एक तो सरकार जो है, सीबीआई जो है, जिन्होंने ये प्रोसिक्यूशन की है, वो अपील फाइल कर सकते, चैलेंज कर सकते कि जी इसमें डेथ सेंटेंस होनी चाहिए. साथ ही जो विक्टिम फैमिली है वो भी कह सकते डेथ सेंटेंस होनी चाहिए, वो भी चैलेंज कर सकते हाई कोर्ट में. और साथ ही जो अक्यूज्ड है, कॉन्विक्ट जो है, जिस पे जुर्म पाया गया है, वो अपील दाखिल कर सकते, याचिका दाखिल कर सकते हैं हाई कोर्ट में कि इनकी सजा गलत हुई, इनकी कन्विक्शन गलत हुई है.
The Calcutta High Court on January 22nd said that it would hear CBI, victim's family, and the convict before deciding on the appeal filed by the West Bengal government. Convict Roy will now undergo hard labor inside Kolkata's Presidency Central Jail. He will get a daily wage of somewhere between rupees 105 to 135 and will have to learn trade skills. While the investigation was slow, the hearing was efficient. Amid calls seeking Sanjay Roy's death, another point of view is based on the system of appeals in the Indian democracy. Now, do we want the rapists dead immediately after fighting multiple court cases? Or do we want them punished daily in the horrible conditions of the Indian prisons?